She don't want to talk to me today.
Sure, thank you. What? What? I cannot hold him very long. He is heavy. What are you doing? Are you making pictures?
I'm video recording.
Only for us. It's only. Only family.
Why? Your
Yeah.
family too.
Aren't you family?
Sure. See. What? What? Here he comes.
Hi. Hi.
Madeline, where are you?
Maddie, come here, please.
Maddie. Hi. Hi.
Can you give Mimi a hug?
Hi.
Go give Mimi a hug.
Mouthful teeth, huh? Yeah. Boy, does he look like you. What?
Well, that's a good-looking baby then.
What? What? Maddie. Maddie, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, I talk German to you. Come here. Let's do where is the Daumen. See, he knows he cannot step down. Come here, Spot. Come here to me. I want to hug. What? This is green, yeah. Like your dress.
This is blau. This
See?
is blau.
See, Sophie, Poppy said it's blue. Tell him. Tell him it's green. You look so pretty.
Yeah, what? Yeah. That's hot.
When did you start walking? A couple of days ago?
Last Sunday, 6 days ago.
Don't fall in the gutter.
That's scary, huh?
Yeah, that was.
That made my heart jump.
Go this way, okay?
Yeah, he wanna practice.
Putty.
AJ, come here. Let's get in the car. Come on. Come on, AJ. AJ, this way. AJ. Mimi's gonna help you get in the car. Maddie, come on, baby. We gotta get going. We gotta go see Mama.
Is she working? Gonna go to work?
Yeah, she has to leave for work soon.